petitioner. This revision petition is filed to review the order passed by Lordships Malad in the writ petition number.
Yes.
Wherein Malad in the writ petition have challenged the order passed by the London Family Court judge granting only rupees 5,000 to the as interim maintenance to the son and rejecting maintenance to the wife. Thereafter, my lord, your lordship, while disposing of the, has enhanced the interim maintenance to 10,000 to the child and has refused to grant any interim maintenance to the wife only on the ground that, my lord, she is working as an advocate. Assets and liabilities as filed by the respondent herein is earning more than 85,000 per month as a rent.
No, he's unemployed right now.
Is I'm not
He's only
saying
getting, my lords, the rental.
How much will be is it
84,000 is, my lords, the declared assets
per month?
per month.
And he is paying 10,000 to the
Child,
child as per the order of the court.
please, my lords.
So he is left with another 74,000.
There is, my lords, first child. Who is, my lords?
Him.
He is with the first child is with the husband, respondent. The second child is with the wife, petitioner.
Yes.
the first child is major and he is 23 years old now. Now the second child is only 10 years old and even education expenses are also not paid till today.
Now, any material is placed before the court with regard to her income and her assets or.
Lords, I have, my lords, produced, my lords, the list of documents, my lords. I have produced, my lords, a list of documents. Separate, my lords, compilation was made. To, my lords, bring to the court's notice all, my lords, previous litigations. 3 times, my lords, she had approached for maintenance. 3 times, my lords, it was rejected. Thereafter, my lords, after a lapse of 5 years from, my lords, the family court's order, this writ petition was challenged, filed. This court, my lords, graciously enhanced it to 10,000. Thereafter, my lords, she again filed one more petition, my lords, application before the family court. Though there was, my lords, a specific direction by this court to conclude, my lords, the trial within 6 months. This is 2015 MC, my lords. Even to this day, my lords, it is at the same stage. On, my lords, the previous date, the coordinate bench, my lords, extended it to 1 more year, my lords, based on the request of the family judge. It was extended again. Now, my lords, there is one more application that is filed seeking, my lords, permanent alimony. That will be, my lords, heard along with the final disposal. And now, my lords, another application is filed in the present petition seeking, my lords, interim maintenance again. This is, my lords, done just to, my lords.
Interim maintenance, this court will not grant
Please,
because that's not the part of the review.
please,
petition.
please. Now, my
The
lords,
scope of review is very limited.
very limited, my lords. In fact, I have, my lords, placed my lords, one judgment, Govind Khandelwal, my lords, on the last date. It was, my lords, I had read it out.
One aspect.
Where, my lords,
No, no, your income is 74,000 after deducting
after
10,000,
deducting 10,000.
which you're paying to the son.
Yes, yes. No, my lords,
No.
my first son,
No,
He's my
that's with you, that I understand.
correct, he's
That I
doing his
understand.
masters.
Hmm.
Currently, my lords, he's doing his masters. I've been taking care of him. I have, my lords, my aged parents to take care of. My lords, this is, my lords, my current situation. Then, my lords, with regard to the petitioner, my lords, she has also filed her assets and liabilities. David, I have placed everything on record, my lords. Even there, my lords, she declares, my lords, that she is a practicing advocate. 2 years ago, my lords, her income was, my lords, supposedly 5,000. Now, my lords, she has not filed the latest assets and liabilities. I have, my lords, filed my
No, we'll take it that her income is 5,000.
Lord, she is a practicing
Let's take
advocate.
it, no, let's take it that her income is 20,000.
Right.
Let's take it. Still, she, with this, for example, 10,000 plus what you're giving another 10,000. Now, can they live in a place like that with 20,000?
Understand, my lords,
When you're in a proportion to give her
lords,
something.
I am, my lords, making every effort to, my lords, get the MC disposed. That is one aspect. Secondly, my lords, she has been dragging, my lords, the matrimonial case, my lords, since 2015. It is, my lords, at the same stage. Since, my lords, 2017.
Not me who is dragging. Even
Let the order sheet be, my lords,
order sheet may kindly be looked into.
my lords, my
Even you lords may kindly.
Oh,
No,
one minute.
please, my lord.
When
Please,
you're
please.
decided not to, whatever the strained relations, this should be a quieters. What does this learn for years together?
I
dragging
don't,
on?
I
It
don't.
is neither in her
I don't-
interest nor in his interest.
It's a wrong submission.
Mm.
My humble submission is, my lord, even after he tendered his evidence in the MC petition, my lord, filed by him for the decree of divorce, even after his evidence was led in, thereafter he has remained absent on so many occasions. I can establish.
I'm sorry, my lords, this is a
And,
false submission that has been made. Kindly take, my lords, the order sheet. I have produced the entire order sheet. Despite, my
I
lords,
will-
the direction of this court, they again remained absent. I was again recalled, my lords. I was again recalled. Post the direction of this court.
I don't want to.
They have not
I
cross-examined.
don't want to keep on the litigation pending and
No,
I would
there-
not want to
No,
do.
you want to, you want it to be disposed of, MC to be disposed of?
Please, my lords.
So please, my lord,
In
I
fact,
don't
court
have any.
directed for 6 months.
No, this
They
is
did
right,
not do anything.
my
My lords.
lord,
He was
after all-
present every single day.
after all,
And my lords, they had also filed my lords one criminal miscellaneous under DV Act. That has been, my lords, 3 times the IA was dismissed. Now that has been dismissed for non-prosecution.
let
And
me-
the conduct has been recorded. She has made a submission saying that she is suffering from arthritis for the 8 adjournments. And my lord, she has been practicing, my lords, in the High Court every single day. She is not ready to, my lords, appear before the DV court, my lords. This is not what, my lords, the order has been.
as a single
case number
mother, as a
222.
single mother, it is not a privilege for me to keep on dragging.
8 adjournments, my lords. The
litigation
judge has
and,
recorded it.
as due to pendency of the litigation, I cannot concentrate on my profession or I cannot concentrate on the family.
Why don't there be like some via media or a compromise on this?
Lords, in fact, a
so
settlement talk,
many-
my lords,
So
happened.
many.
What is that she wants
Not,
for a settlement?
your my lordship kindly similar. My learned friend is saying that the husband is unemployed and he is not having any work. Then
Let's not go into all these disputed questions. I just, one simple question is, what is that she wants for a settlement? Now, not that she wants to join him. She doesn't want to join him.
she has filed a MC petition for restoration of conjugal
She
rights.
wants to join him?
Still, if he is ready to take, she is ready to go with him.
Lords,
But
settlement
he
talks
don't
happened,
want,
my
he
lords.
don't want
During, my lords, the
litigation.
review.
Married again?
No.
According to
Right.
our information, he is married and he is living in a separate apartment since from 1 year.
No, my lords.
After
Let them file an affidavit to that extent. That is absolutely wrong. And my lords, in fact,
Client is interested to join.
my lords, in fact, the settlement talks happened, my lords, a month ago. That was, my lords, a false submission that was made that no settlement talks happened when your lordships were in. They made a submission that, my lords, no settlement talks ever happened. They have made a false submission. That is absolutely false.
Let
The
both
senior
of them-
advocates, my lords,
Let
chamber,
both of them come to the court.
please, my lords.
Both the parties shall be present.
My lords, one
Yes.
submission, my lords. Lordships had directed me to file an affidavit. I had made a submission. There is, my lords, 1.12 crores that is pending in, my lords, in New Zealand.
And then
In
some
our-
order was passed.
Some
What has
order was
happened?
passed. I had, my lords, cooperated. She has not come forward, my lords.
That,
There is,
that
my lords,
application, your lordship has directed them to file an affidavit regarding the procedure and other aspects. They have not filed any affidavit and or any application regarding that aspect.
your lordships were, my lords, kind enough to direct the petitioner to, my lords, consider this particular.
No, what's the difficulty when the money is lying there and when
Please,
you're
my
in
lords.
need of
Yes,
money?
yes, my lord.
But
That-
Why
That-
should, no, it's not that.
Maintenance charges is, my lords, deducted.
It's not that she's uneducated, that somebody has to tell her how it should be proceeded.
The procedure, my lord, even according to there, what has happened, my lord, so far as that amount is concerned, my lord, he is claiming so many other aspects. He is saying that he has borrowed loan from his manager and that he has to repay
The
out of this
fraction of
amount.
it, my lords.
That amount,
Hey, he made a submission
Action.
that
my lord,
whatever is the amount, half will go to her and
Irrespective of
half
it,
will
my
go
lords.
to him. That's
Irrespective
please, my
of
lord,
the outcome.
we are ready for that, my lord, only with one condition, my lord. Let whatever the maintenance charges that has been paid to the caretaker of that money, because the lead trustees will be there, one wife, husband, and the banker or the advocate who is that. And that person will be, has to be paid for taking care of this. And we, only that deduction, after deducting that amount, it can be divided equally among the both,
I
as
have
per the
filed an
law of the
affidavit, my
land
lords. In
of the
fact,
New
the
Zealand.
affidavit is on record.
Are you okay with that? Your
my
client
lords,
is okay with
a
that?
fraction, my lords, is to be paid as a loan to one person, my lords. One individual, my lords, 50, some
No, his
XYZ amount.
submission is,
my lords.
after deducting what.
Correct, my lords. I agree to that.
We are ready with half and half of.
Half and half, my lords. There is one, my lords, submission. There is, my lords, I have made it in the affidavit also.
By the time this matter comes up
Will, my lords,
for,
please. my lords.
and he is ready to cooperate and you also cooperate. And as it is, I don't know, accepted by him also, that after deducting whatever amount that has to be paid, the remaining amount, both of you can have. Why you want to pay this, like for somebody who is a trustee for?
No, because now the problem is, my lord, he alleges that, my lord, he has borrowed some loan from somebody else, some manager or some of his, employer, and there is no records for that and other things, and he is only self-serving statement,
Lords, I have filed
and
an
it is to
affidavit.
be paid
I-
out
by-
of the
Lords, I'll be
such part.
bound by it.
No, anyhow, that is, now the stage has gone. Please
I have.
complete this.
And
By the next, by the time when matter comes before this court, there should be some positive
Please.
steps
We'll
from
work
your
it out.
side.
And
Or else that will also be considered by the court in passing this order.
no, that is totally different, my lord, because yeah, both of them are.
No, it's not like that.
No,
You know,
stress.
because there is a procedure available and everybody has a right to have the remedy. It doesn't matter. That doesn't mean that, you know, you keep on litigating on something. You should be, it is solution oriented.
Yeah, definitely, my lord.
Should be. Why
Definitely.
they are wasting their valuable time in courts and also the court's time where,
Even
where
there
the
were-
problems,
My lords,
by the time the court wants to know what is the positive steps taken from your side.
please.
Let it, whether it fructifies or not is a different aspect. What is the contribution from your side to reach that, you know, that conclusion?
No, that's very clear, my lord.
it,
Both
no,
of them are equal.
If he is going back or if he's taking a different turn, then you can tell the court.
Yes, my
If
lord.
this-
Even
this arrangement.
even tomorrow itself, we are ready, my lord. Off and off.
Yes, Mr. Counsel.
My lords,
He says, but tomorrow itself they are ready, do it.
my lords, my only submission is that, my lords, I have stated in the affidavit, I have annexed 3 documents to indicate, my lords, the loan.
Personal mails
is
and
no, no,
Not
no.
the loan.
My lords, a loan of, my lords, 5,90,000 of, my lords, New Zealand dollars was availed as
It's-
loan to purchase the property, which
It
is,
is-
my lords, now sold and kept as, my lords, a joint mortgage amount. That is, my lords,
According
1.12
according
crores.
to him, it is the
But I
2014
have
loan.
produced the documents. That has to be returned to that particular
No
person. That is it, my lords.
no prudent person will keep quiet for
I have filed
this
my
unfortunate.
affidavit.
Loan,
No, that is a fraction of it, my lords. I will be very clear.
loan is something nobody can, you know, you can't,
No,
they
it's-
can't
it-
cook up that story.
Yes, my lord.
Is it not?
For that, there should be some document, my lord.
Let them file
Documents.
If he files the document.
If he has filed document saying that there is a mail contact between himself and that lender, and not other loan documents,
Have the copy.
Not the copy.
No, my
All-
affidavit copy. my lords.
although
authenticated
not the-
document, any.
all the documents, any document to show
Hmm.
that there was a loan transaction.
Please.
And you must be having, if the loan of 5 lakhs is given, then it will be evidence that will be some bank transaction or the statement will be there
Lords,
that
it
you
has-
can show, not
Please, my
this
lords.
kind of correspondence.
No, not a correspondence, my lords. It is issued under, my lords, the letterhead of the company which I was working in.
Not
He is, my
that.
lords, my senior associate.
Bank
I will ask my party to, my lords,
and
I will, my
give it
lords.
to them. If it
I
is
will, my
there,
lords.
then they have to accept.
My lords, I
You
will
know,
definitely.
who will pay that 5 lakhs?
Please, my lords.
After that only, then the amount has to be shared between
If
the
it is
people.
for my
parties.
personal requirement or his personal requirement, that cannot be borne by other
Sorry, it
party.
is
No,
not 5 lakhs, my lords. It is
if it
1
is-
lakh, my lords. 1 lakh, I'm sorry. my lords.
Please wait.
1
The
lakh.
difficulty in the family matters are more than the clients. The advocates are more aggressive.
Sorry.
Now, if it is for a loan transaction, for what purpose it is given, it will be definitely as directed. Then please place before the court what is the development.
Please, madam.
Please.
Next.